I'm going in the supermarket with my Geiger counter. We use it at the healings to test people for radiation, because if their radiation levels are a bit high, you know, they're Japanese or something, I do an extra process, a little process to bring it back down again, and I've been quite successful with that because we can test the people before the healing and after the healing. But I'm popping in the supermarket to see what the radiation levels are on the fish, and hopefully we'll be able to do the rest. This is the best. We don't want it glowing green. Pleased to report that the fish in Tesco's has got very normal radiation. It's not elevated at all. Unlike Rome, when I was in Rome like a couple of weeks ago, the radiation levels in the street were off the Richter scale. So I'm not sure why, but it's all very safe here. And I've tested a lot of the vegetables and I didn't find any high radiation in them either. So in some places in the world the radiation is very high, and in rural Ireland it's very low. Some of the people we've tested here in Ireland have tested way below normal. So radiation's not a problem around here, but I suppose if you're in Japan it'd be a lot higher, so maybe I should go there and test the fish. Thank you.